Stand with the feet 2 to 3 inches apart. Place your hands by the side of the body. Be there, close your eyes. This is a samsthiti. Don't press your palms by the side. Keep them relaxed and observe. In this position, your whole body weight should be on your both feet equally. Now we will start with the neck movements. Gently open your eyes. Now slowly place your palms on your hip joint. Take a proper position for the neck movement. Keep your elbows by the side and look at front. First practice forward and backward movement. Inhale deeply. With exhalation, bend your head forward. Try to touch your chin to the chest. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, bend your head backward as much as you can. Feel the stretch the front side of your neck region. Inhale, come back. We will repeat one more time. Exhale, bend your head forward. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend your head backward. Inhale, come back. Now we will do the second practice, right and left bending. Inhale deeply in the center. With exhalation, turn your head towards the right side. In the final position, try to keep your right ear close to the right shoulder. Inhale, come back to the center position. Exhale, drop your head towards the left side. Inhale, come back. We will repeat one more time. Exhale, drop your head towards the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, drop your head towards the left side. With inhalation, slowly come back to the starting position. Now we move towards the third practice, right and left twisting. Inhale deeply in the center. Now with exhalation, turn your neck towards the right side. Now make sure your chin in line with the right shoulder. Inhale, come back to the center position. Exhale, turn your head towards the left side. And the same, your chin should be in line with the left shoulder. Inhale, come back. We'll repeat one more time. Exhale. Feel the stretch on other side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist your neck towards the left side. Inhale, come back to the starting position. Now fourth practice of the neck movement, neck rotation. Inhale. With exhalation, again press your chin towards your chest. Now we will do a circular manner rotation. Inhale, rotate your head backward by the side. Now exhale, move your head forward. Proper rotate your neck. Once again, repeat in anti-clockwise direction. Inhale, go back. Exhale, bend your head forward. Now we will repeat one more time, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Move your head backward by the side. Press your chin forward. Repeat from the anti-clockwise. With exhalation, move your head forward. And with inhale, come back to the starting position. Bring your arms by the side. Close your eyes and relax yourself for a while. Observe the impact of the neck movement, especially in your neck region. Feel the changes. Now gently open your eyes. Let us move towards the shoulder movement. Shoulder stretch. Once again, observe your standing position. Body should be straight, arm by the side. With inhalation, raise your both arms by the side and stretch over your head. Keep your palms outside and keep your arms parallel to each other. Don't be join your fingers upward. Exhale, come back. We will repeat one more time. Inhale, go with the rhythm of your breathing. Exhale, bring your arms back by the side. Next practice, shoulder rotation. Once again, with inhalation, raise your arms by the side at the shoulder level. Turn your palms upward. Place your fingers on the respective shoulder. Now try to join your elbows in front of the chest. From here, we will start the rotation of your shoulder joint. Inhale, move your elbows up. And with exhalation, move your elbows in front. We will repeat one more round. Inhale. Exhale. Now this time we will do in a reverse manner. With inhalation, raise your elbows up and exhale, drop down. Repeat one more time. Now slowly spread your elbows by the side. Stretch your arms and then slowly bring your arms by the side. Close your eyes and feel the impact of the shoulder movements at your shoulder joint. This is very good to strengthen the shoulder joint, shoulder muscles and the ligament. Now we move towards a trunk movement. First practice is a forward and backward. Keep your legs spread apart comfortably so that you can balance your body on your both feet. Keep your feet parallel to each other. Now with inhalation, stretch your both arms over your head completely. First, complete alignment here. Now with inhalation, go back. Maximum stretch from the trunk region. And with exhalation, bend your body forward. Try to touch your palms to the ground. Stretch, drop your head down. Inhale, in a one go, stretch your body backward. And with exhalation, bend your body forward. Inhale, slowly come back in the center. And with exhalation, bring your arms by the side. Join your feet together and relax for a while. Next practice, which is included in CYP protocol, trunk twisting. Once again, keep your legs shoulder length apart and keep them parallel. Inhale, raise your both arms up to the shoulder level from the front side. Keep your palms facing to each other. Exhale, twist the body towards the right side. Keep your right hand straight and twist from the lumbosacral, lower back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist your body towards the left side. Twist your upper body maximum backward. Stretch. Inhale, come back. We'll repeat one more time. Exhale. Inhale, come back. With exhalation, twist your body towards the left side. Keep your arms at shoulder level. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bring your arms back. Join your feet together and relax in Samasthiti. Close your eyes and feel the impact on your lower back. Now we move towards the knee movement practice. Gently open your eyes. Once again, spread your legs comfortably apart. Inhale, raise your both arms up to the shoulder level. Palms facing downward. Now with exhalation, bend your knees and come in half squatting position. Make sure your thighs parallel to the ground. Inhale, come back to the starting position. We'll repeat one more time. Exhale. Inhale, come up. With exhalation, bring your arms back and join your feet together. And this time, observe whole body after the practice of loosening and Sukshmayam. Your neck, your shoulder joint, your trunk region and knee joint after the practice of Sukshmayam. Now prepare yourself for Yogasana Abhyas.